All right, let's dive right in. Today, we are breaking down a complete step-by-step guide on how you can start making real money online in Nigeria, even if you are a total, absolute beginner. So let's just start with what's actually possible. Now, this is not some made-up number. This is a real figure. Over 3 million Naira earned in a single month, and it was done using the exact platform and the same methods we're about to walk through right now. So, the big question is, how do you get there, right? How can someone in Nigeria starting from scratch with zero experience actually achieve results like this? Well, let's get into the exact roadmap. Here's what we're going to cover. We're going to go through the whole thing, step by step. I mean, everything from creating a free account to making your very first product, all the way to the best part, withdrawing your earnings directly into your local Nigerian bank account. The platform that makes all of this possible, it's called Selar.com. You know, it's one of the biggest and most popular platforms for creators and sellers all across Africa, and it's going to be our main tool for this whole process. Okay, first things first. You got to get set up, right? You can't sell a thing without an account, so let's get that taken care of. Look, it's a super simple, standard sign-up process. It'll take you, maybe a couple of minutes to complete? But here's the most important part. It is completely 100% free to create your account and get started. No hidden fees. Okay, so your account is ready to go. Now we get to the really exciting part. What are you actually going to sell? This is where you get to be creative. Selar supports a ton of different products. You can sell physical goods, you can sell coaching services. But listen, if you're a beginner and you're looking for a really low-cost, high-impact way to start, the easiest place by far is with a digital product. So we're going to focus on creating a simple ebook. Now, why an ebook? Well, it's because you can create one for free. I'm talking zero startup costs, using tools you probably already have on your computer right now. Now this is where things get really, really powerful. Just look at how fast you can go from just an idea to a finished product. I mean, using a free AI tool and a simple word processor like Google Docs, you can have a sellable ebook ready to go in under an hour. This is the ultimate low-cost, high-speed way to get into the game. All right, once you have that finished PDF saved on your computer, it's time to put it up for sale on the Selar Marketplace. Let's go live. Selar System basically holds your hand and guides you through every single field. You'll add a little thumbnail image, give it a catchy name, set your price in Naira, write a good description, and then just upload that PDF file you made. It's designed to be super straightforward. Oh, and here's a really cool feature. You actually get to choose whether your customers can download the file to their own device or if they can only read it online right there on the Selar platform. This gives you this extra layer of control, and it really helps protect your work from being easily shared or resold. All right, let's talk about the part everybody wants to know about. You've made some sales, you've got money in your account, so how do you actually get that cash from Selar into your local Nigerian bank account? It's really easy. Inside your dashboard, under the payout settings, you just have to connect your local bank account one time. You put in your bank name, your account number, and boom, you are all set to receive your money. And this right here is so crucial. Selar makes it incredibly simple to get your earnings directly home. This removes one of the biggest headaches people face when trying to make money online in Nigeria. The money goes right where you need it to go. Okay, so your product is live, your bank details are all set up, but hold on, you're not done yet. A product doesn't just sell itself, right? You have to get it in front of customers. Now, you have to remember this. Selar is the platform. It's your online store and it processes the payments. But your job is two things. Create the product, and then you have to market it. You can do that with paid ads or working with influencers, or just by building an audience yourself on social media. And I want you to let this slide sink in because it's probably the most important lesson of all. Creating the product, that's just step one. Your success isn't just about how good your ebook is, it's about how well you can get that ebook in front of the right people. Marketing is what turns your product into profit. So there you have it. We've covered the entire process, from a completely blank page to a live product with a crystal clear path to getting paid.
We've shown you the tools, the platform, the strategy, everything. So now, the only real question left is,